Introduction. Hello friends, I am back and have brought some things for you to see. Look at these things. All these are solids. Today we will learn about solids and its shapes. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify solids, explain rolling and sliding of a solid, identify the shapes of solids. Friends, look at this brick. This is a solid. This brick has a fixed shape. It has length, width, and height. It is hard. We cannot change its shape by pressing it. Thus, we can say a solid has definite shape and size and cannot be pressed easily. Now see this lock. Is this a solid? You are correct. This lock is a solid. It has a fixed shape. It has length, width, and height. And can we press it? No, we cannot press it. It is hard. Do you know that we can roll and slide solids? Come, let us see. We can roll the round solids. We need to move the solids which are not round. Solids are of different shapes. We will now learn the names of the solids of different shapes. The shapes and its name are displayed on screen. Circle, cone, cylinder, and cube. Can you tell the shape of this candle? Yes, you are right. It is cylindrical in shape. Students, let us check how much you have learned. You need to match the objects with their shapes. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Objects that have definite shape are solids. Solids can roll and slide. Solids are of different shapes: circle, cone, cylinder, and cube.